Yo YouTube, what's up? It's Triple P. How you guys doing? So in today's video, guys, we're gonna dive right back into CGO, and we're gonna go over some new features that weren't covered in the previous video. If you have not seen that video, check out the description. I'll leave a link down there. So let's just go ahead and dive right into it. Previously, we talked about logging caches using CGO. We talked about navigating using CGO. We talked about looking at the cache page. We talked about the live map features. So what else can CGO offer us to be more convenient in our everyday caching experiences? Well, let's go to the search feature, because that's where I want to focus on today for this video. We're going to go and we're going to take a trip to Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And you're just going to hit address, type it in, pops right up, click on it. And what it does, guys, is it does the 20 caches that are the closest to downtown Pittsburgh. And if downtown Pittsburgh's not your cup of tea, just scroll down and hit load more caches. Okay, now I have 200 caches. Let's take a look at the map, and there they are. They're all there. Okay, great. Once you have your 200 caches or 500 caches or whatever you're interested in doing, you're gonna click the filter button right here. And it's gonna give you all kinds of options. A lot of people really enjoy favorite point caches, so if you're really into like caches that have a lot of favorite points, they're really nifty, they're pretty creative, you can filter by favorites. And let's say you only want caches that have 50 favorite points or more. You click on that and it's gonna bring them up. Oh, where are they on the map? There we go. And it shows you roughly where they are in relationship to the downtown Pittsburgh area. So what else can we filter by? We can search by type of cache. You're like, man, I'm really into earth caches. Let's see what kind of earth caches this area has. And it pulls up 3 earth caches right away. Let's check out where they are on the map. Bada bing, bada boom. There they are. And now you've got 3 earth caches that you can try and go get. All right, let's see. You can also filter by difficulty. So if you're like, man, I really want to find a 2 or 2.5 difficulty cache, you can click on that and it's gonna bring up 98 caches in the queue. Okay, let's go by size, and let's say we want to find virtual caches. That's gonna pop up and you come up with 3 virtual caches. You can try and load more. Hey, this time it worked. It pulled up a virtual cache that wasn't originally on the list, and you'll see there that it's got 300 caches currently on the map. Let's hit filters and let's do terrain. So terrain is like, what is it hilly? Is it not hilly? I like to do a high terrain, so let's try between 3.5. Whoa, there's a lot. There's 35 caches that have between a 3 and a 3.5. Alright guys, that's where we're going to wrap up this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys out on the trail.